Microgreens are more than just a garnish. They're tiny nutritional powerhouses with benefits that you've probably never heard of. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 surprising benefits of microgreens that could transform your health, including one shocking fact about sulforaphane that will blow your mind. So let's dive in. Hey Microgreen Thumbs, I'm Hiebel here with Amelia Island Microgreens, your go-to source for all things microgreens. These little greens pack a punch when it comes to health and flavor, but some of their benefits might surprise you. Let's explore how microgreens can elevate your wellness game. First up, sulforaphane. Did you know that broccoli microgreens contain 10 to 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli? Not 10 to 100%, 10 to 100 times. So what is sulforaphane? Sulforaphane is a powerful compound known for its anti-cancerous properties, detoxifying effects, and ability to support your body's natural defense mechanisms. There are studies from MD-PI and Oregon State University talking about the benefits of sulforaphane, and you can go check out Dr. Berg's videos on sulforaphanes, which are really powerful. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that the information provided in this video, it is for educational and informational purposes only, and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or health regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions and are taking medications. Benefits discussed in this video are based on research and personal experience, but may not apply to everyone. So be sure to do what works for you and leave the rest. So if you're looking for a simple way to supercharge your diet, reduce the risk of cancer, then microgreens are a no-brainer. Sulforaphane has also been linked to potentially helping with the side effects of autism. Alright, benefit number 2, boosts eye health. Microgreens like spinach and kale are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. These compounds can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Think of them as a natural sunblock for your eyes. Benefit number 3, improves skin health. Want glowing skin? Microgreens are loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, which help repair and hydrate your skin while boosting collagen production. These nutrients act as natural anti-aging agents, protecting your skin from UV damage and keeping it bright and elastic. So what do you think of these benefits so far? Are they shocking and surprising to you? Tell me in the comments below which of the health benefits stands out to you. I'd love to hear what you think, and I always read my comments. Feeling inspired to add microgreens to your life? Head over to AmeliaIslandMicrogreens.com/101 or click the link in the description below and enroll in my Microgreens 101 Masterclass. It's packed with everything you need to grow your own nutrient-dense microgreens right at home. Don't wait, start growing today. And if you're looking to get a kit, you can head over to AmeliaIslandMicrogreens.com and order one today. Alright, benefit number 4, microgreens support hormonal balances. Microgreens, especially broccoli and radish varieties, contain phytonutrients like sulforaphane that help regulate hormonal activity. These compounds can support estrogen metabolism and potentially reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers. They're a natural way to achieve better hormonal balance. And there have been studies by Linus Pauling Institute and Oregon State University on this. So this isn't just stuff that I'm pulling out of thin air. It's stuff that has been researched, and there are studies by various different colleges. These are just a couple that I'm throwing out there that I've seen. You can go online and research the benefits of microgreens, and you'll see all sorts of studies. Alright, last but not least, benefit 5. Microgreens are fantastic for your heart health. They're rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, potassium, and omega-3s, which help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Adding just a handful of microgreens to your meals can make a big difference. Are you feeling inspired to add microgreens into your life? Head over to AmeliaIslandMicrogreens.com/101 for a free gift that will take you from microgreen beginner to microgreen grower. It uses my 12 years of microgreen experience to be able to share with you everything that I know, more information on health benefits, as well as how easy it is to grow them. They take 7 days to grow and they're ready to eat live. It is such an incredible thing to be able to just go right to your kitchen countertop and have your own garden. Microgreens might be small, but their health benefits are huge. From supporting your eyes and your skin, to balancing hormones and protecting your heart, these little greens pack a big punch. And don't forget about the mind-blowing sulforaphane content. It's proof that sometimes the tiniest of changes can make the biggest impacts. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss my next video on more amazing microgreen content. Thanks for joining me today. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've seen any amazing changes since adding microgreens to your diet, I'd love to hear your story. Until next time, happy growing, and as always, stay awesome.